Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Transcribing a live phone call using Python Flask involves several components, including a telephony service to handle the call, a way to capture the audio, and a speech-to-text service to transcribe the audio. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through setting up a simple Flask application that can receive a phone call, record the audio, and transcribe it using a speech recognition service. Prerequisites: 1. Python. Ensure you have Python installed on your system. 2. Flask. Install Flask using pip. 3. Twilio account. Sign up for a Twilio account and get a phone number. 4. Speech recognition library. We'll use the speech recognition library. 5. fpeg. Install fpeg, which is required for handling audio files. You can download it from fpeg's official website, https://ffmpeg.org/download.html. 6. ngrok. For local development, you can use ngrok to expose your local server to the internet. Download it from ngrok's website, https://ngrok.com. Step 1. Set up your Flask application. Create a new directory for your project and create a file called app.py. Step 2. Set up your Twilio number. 1. Configure webhook. In your Twilio console, find your phone number and set the voice and fax webhook to point to your Flask app/voice endpoint. If you're using ngrok, the URL would look something like http://ngrokid.ngrok.io/voice. To run your Flask application, start your Flask app. 3. Expose your local server. Open another terminal and run ngrok to expose your Flask app. Step 3. Make a call. Now, using your Twilio phone number, make a call to it. You should hear a message prompting you to leave a message. After you finish speaking, press any key to end the recording. Step 4. Check transcription. After the call, your Flask app will automatically transcribe the audio and return the transcription as a text response. You can test this by checking the console output of your Flask app where it will print the transcription. Additional notes. Security: the above example lacks security measures. In a production environment, you should implement authentication and validation to prevent abuse. Error handling: more robust error handling should be implemented to handle different scenarios. Deployment: for production, consider deploying your Flask app using a WSGI server like Gunicorn and a reverse proxy like Nginx. Conclusion: in this tutorial, you've learned how to create a basic Flask application that can receive a phone call, record the audio, and transcribe it using a speech recognition library. You can further enhance the functionality by integrating with a database to store transcriptions or adding user interfaces to manage calls and transcriptions.